Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over how to start an activewear business. This is a step-by-step helpful guide for beginners. So let's just jump straight into it. Hi friend, I'm Terry. I'm a Shopify website designer and I help women start businesses from home. Step 1 is to pick your niche/style. Will it be neutral, colorful prints, gym baddie aesthetic, or modest activewear? Pick a vibe so you can target that exact person or audience. Step 2 will be choose your business model. Will it be drop shipping? Of course, that's the cheapest, no inventory required. The vendors will ship the items out for you. Will you do wholesale where you have to buy the inventory up front? That can cost a lot. Or will you do private label where you can actually add your own logo onto the clothes, which can be even more expensive, but it is a little bit more branded. Pick one to start with and later on you can switch over. And to find great vendors, you can check Alibaba.com. Literally just type in the type of brand you want to go for, like a big brand that is in your niche or aesthetic. And then a lot of vendors will pop up with similar items. They can customize it for you. They can probably even design it from scratch if you have sketches. But I will recommend checking Alibaba, working with verified vendors, and then knowing what type of items that you want to sell. You can even order samples just to check the quality. And you can also be sure to check the vendor's review. But I definitely recommend Alibaba if you're looking for like a more customized type of vibe. You can add your own logo. They can do certain designs. You can get it for a wholesale and in bulk. Step 3 will be to find a reliable vendor. So of course, Alibaba is one option I just gave you guys. Multiple vendors on Alibaba. You need to be looking for the quality, the stretch, colors, minimum orders. That's why you do have to order samples if you can. Step 4 would be to create your brand identity. So it is more than a logo. It's your overall name, your colors, your packaging. Make it aesthetic and cohesive all around. Pretty much it would be like your mission and your values and what your overall brand stands for. And step 5 will to be build your online store. Of course, we're going to recommend Shopify. A lot of top brands use Shopify, even myself. It is like the #1 platform to use for your business. You want to add product photos, sizing chart policies. Just keep it simple and clean. You can even start for like $1. As you can see, the starter trial at the beginning. Step 6 will be to take good photos or videos. Of course, you're going to want to make content so you can bring in the sales. That's why you have to order samples, whether you're doing wholesale or drop shipping. It doesn't have to be a whole fancy photo shoot. All you really need is your iPhone. Pretty much try on hauls, aesthetic product shots, UGC style videos. Just make sure you're actually showing the outfits in video format, short form content. The next step would be to launch on social media, whatever platform you do choose, Instagram, TikTok for daily content. You can even do like a coming soon type of video ad, behind the scenes, try-ons, packaging. Pretty much share your story. People buy from people. So be sure to start small, test out the quality and what people like best. You don't have to launch with a lot of pieces. You can definitely start with 3 to 5 pieces, test which colors fit best and collections sell best. And whatever you do, friend, this is the most important. Stay consistent. Whether you want to post daily or weekly, figure out a content schedule. Once you get your inventory, figure out which method you are doing and still try to show up. Be consistent. Listen to customer feedback and focus on building a community. I do hope this video was helpful. If you need any assistance with a Shopify store, link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.